Welcome to the class of digital and social media marketing. And the conventional ways of marketing and advertising are basically print media, newspapers and all, magazines, billboards, newspaper inserts, television, radio, FM, right? Different types of radios and all. We call it traditional ways of marketing or conventional ways of marketing. Traditional or conventional ways of marketing. Digital marketing is, we can define digital and social media digital marketing. Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies in case of social media marketing, such as desktop computers, mobile phones and other digital media and platforms to promote product and services. That is promoting product and services using internet. Promoting and selling product and services using internet. Promoting product and services using social media platforms and other technologies on the internet. Right? The methods of digital marketing, as I said, methods of traditional marketing. Methods of traditional marketing are, as I said, newspaper, magazine, television. These all are hoardings, billboards, newspaper inserts, FM radio, right? These are methods of traditional marketing. Similarly, we have multiple methods of digital and social media marketing as well. Placing website advertisements on the website, we call it display advertisement. Google search engine result pages, placing advertisement on Google search engine result pages, we call it search advertising. Social media advertising itself have on the different social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. Placing advertisements on mobile applications, we call it mobile advertising. Mobile advertising. Blogging is one way of advertising, we call it normally inbound marketing. The form of digital marketing, it is inbound marketing, blogging. We have less sales pitch on blogging and more on recommendations and suggestions. Right? So there are, as I said, search engine optimization is one way of marketing. Optimizing websites to appear organically on first page of Google. Search engine optimization is optimizing website to appear organically on first page of Google. It is considered highly targeted. Right? So these are different ways of digital and social media marketing, different methods of digital and social media marketing. SEO, SMM, blogging, right? Social media on different platforms, mobile marketing, display advertising, search advertising, Google AdWords we use for search and display advertising. Remarketing is there. Remarketing is, many times you may have experienced in your life that you search some products or services on a particular website on the internet and you are checking about some products, but you have just leave the site without any purchase or without any checkout. Then what you experience now is the advertisement of that product you face on different social media platforms. Everywhere The advertisements follows you and sometimes with some offers and all. That is basically remarketing. That is remarketing. Remarketing. That is beauty of digital marketing only. बात समझ में आ रही है? कई बार क्या होता है कि हम ऑनलाइन किसी भी शॉपिंग साइट पे प्रोडक्ट को जो है देखते हैं, अच्छा लगा, कोई ऐड ही देखते हैं, उस पर क्लिक कर लेते हैं, देखते हैं साइट पे जाकर के कितने वेरिएंट्स हैं प्रोडक्ट है, व्हाट इज द प्राइस, व्हाट इज द वारंटी एंड ऑल व्हाटएवर। और उसके बाद क्या होता है कि वही प्रोडक्ट, वही एडवर्टाइजमेंट हमें जगह जगह डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे दिखाई देने लगता है। इट बेसिकली फॉलोज अस ऑनलाइन ऑन डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया चैनल्स एंड राइट, दैट इज कॉल्ड रीमार्केटिंग and sometimes with discounts and offers. That is basically and why that digital marketing is evolving. The main question is what is the scope, and there was no discussion before 10 years about digital marketing. We were using nicely our conventional or traditional methods of marketing. And digital and social media marketing is, of course, in India, in Indian context, if we'll talk, it is evolved with a good pace after 2015 or 2014. The main credit goes to the internet penetration. More and more consumers are using smartphones, tablets and laptops connected with internet. If you compare worldwide, in India, we are getting smartphones and data in cheapest rate. Either we talk about the data or about the cost of smartphones, we can say at the lowest range worldwide. And that has given a boom to internet penetration in India, and in urban areas, in cities, in towns, internet penetration and people's using smartphones are around 88%. And in rural India, it is around 27%. Right? So as the internet penetration is increasing and more people are using smartphones, and they are not only using smartphones and connected with internet, they are mostly busy with smartphones and internet connected devices. Previously, we were more busy with television, newspapers and magazines, but now we are more engaged on these internet connected devices. So companies, corporations, they want to place their advertisement, they want to promote their advertisement, they want to sell their products online and reach you on your smartphone. They are reaching on your applications, mobile apps, to which we call mobile advertising, advertising on mobile applications. They are reaching on your Instagram timelines, on your Facebook timelines, even on Facebook stories within. We call it social media advertising, on YouTube, everywhere. We find advertisements, promotions, products, sales. That is what? That is because of internet penetration. That is because of more and more people, consumers having paying capacity are using smartphones. Not only using, they are mostly busy with their smartphones for entertainment, not only for social media surfing. They are using this for entertainment as well. Entertainment, right? They are using this for entertainment, for information, for connecting with friends and family members. Getting the point? different purpose. We have different purpose to use smartphones, to use social media, to use YouTube. You are not using only for entertainment, only for music videos and all. You are using for educational purpose as well. You are using for how to handle with a particular device. We are all the time anything in your mind we just Google, or if anything we want to operate and work with, we went to YouTube for a small YouTube video. How we can do that? How one can do that? How one can handle that? Getting the point? So because we are using smartphones, internet connected devices more and more, because of that, companies, corporates are promoting and advertising, selling their products on these platforms. That is the scope, and that is not limited, that is going to increase. Initially, we were using YouTube videos only for promotional purpose, but now we are not using YouTube videos only for promotional purpose. We are using YouTube videos or not, I should not say only YouTube, but videos, online videos in other platforms as well, for customer education, for training customers, for maintenance of devices, for getting better experience about a product. Not only marketing is going there, even a car maintenance, anything you want to know about maintenance of a car, a particular parts, even you will find a nice video on YouTube, right? So we are not using only videos on for marketing. We are using it for training purpose. We are using training videos. We are using for educational videos, different purpose. Customer service related videos. In emergency, how you can handle a particular device, or how you can monitor something, right? Now, in US and in Europe, digital and social media marketing had surpassed conventional or traditional marketing budget. That is, companies are investing their budget, because advertising budget is fixed per year for every corporation, and they are investing more on digital and social media advertising in comparison to traditional advertising. In 2020, advertisement spending on digital media has increased in comparison to traditional media in US. Getting the point? Now, why that is happening? How digital marketing is winning over conventional marketing. How digital marketing is winning over conventional marketing. Right? We will discuss that. How digital marketing is winning over conventional marketing. Something here. Traditional marketing, the promotion of product and services through TV, telephone, banner, broadcast, door-to-door, sponsorship, etc. And in digital marketing, promotion of product and services through digital media or electronic media like SEO, SEM, PPC, right? A lot of other methods as well. Traditional marketing is not cost effective. Digital marketing is more cost effective, right? What is happening, and that is the another point is, we can launch any digital marketing campaign instantly. It has an instant reach. Suppose your company is launching a new product and the company wants to launch the product in 5 cities, 5 metro cities of the world. The cities may be Delhi, Mumbai, Tokyo, Washington, and London. Right? If we are launching the product using traditional advertising on these 5 cities, so we have to align with TV broadcasters in which program you want to launch in the television in a particular city, or in which newspaper you want to advertise and to promote. You have to contact with newspaper advertisers on the 5 cities, have to book the slot on the newspaper on a particular page, front page or inside pages, and that is again a tough task to get published the advertisement on a single date. Similarly, on which television program you want to advertise. I mean, it is a tough task, a cumbersome task. You need a team to work on it, at least for a week, then you will be able to finalize your launch. But in case of digital and social media marketing, within 30 minutes, just after designing your advertisement, you can launch the campaign and you can target only these 5 cities. Getting the point? It is what it is, instant launch. You don't have to align and work on collaborate with anyone. You need your advertisement to be prepared well, and you have to it will be published within few clicks. That is the first winning over traditional advertising. Instant launch. The second thing is digital and social media advertisements and ad campaigns are highly targeted. They are highly targeted. We all know about segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Targeted means we are targeting a particular segment. When I'm saying that these ad campaigns are highly targeted, it means we are targeting a particular segment. Suppose your company on these 5 cities launching the product, that product is for women of age group 20 to 35 years. For women in the age group of 20 to 35 years, maybe some clothing and whatever. In digital marketing, we can target, we can select. The advertisements will be viewed only to, it should be viewed only to women's demographic, gender selection, females, age group 20 to 35. Cities, these 5 cities. But we will be hardly able to target in traditional marketing. We can find, of course, we can find some magazines that are meant for women's, but I don't think that will work good. We can even further target with the paying capacity. That is 5 cities, female 20 to 35 age group, paying capacity above that. Behavior we can target, hobbies we can target, educational label, education we can target, interest in fashion and other depending upon the product. That is a right. These digital and social media advertisements are highly targeted. जिसके लिए वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, वो प्रोडक्ट बना हुआ है, उसी को दिखाई देंगे. That's a big winning over traditional advertising, right? Whenever you will be designing a strategy, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी, आप जब भी स्ट्रेटजी तैयार करेंगे अपनी कंपनी में डिजिटल एंड सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग, तो यू मस्ट नो अबाउट विच चैनल यू आर गोइंग टू प्रमोट, विच social media or digital method you are going to use, because as I said, multiple methods are there to get traffic online, but budget, money, that is constrained. The budget is constrained. If we have 50,000 rupees per month to spend on advertising, on digital, on social media advertising, so we should know on which platforms, either on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, where, and how much on which channel, or Google search advertising, or display ads, or mobile apps ads. That comes under the what? Strategy part. And must have knowledge about each platform. As I said, we are promoting we are going to promote a product for females of age group 20 to 35. We should know that Instagram should be our first preference for that, as I think. Most youngsters in India today are on Instagram. They are mostly on Instagram. Next maybe YouTube. Next may be Google search advertising. Right? We must know about the audience of each platform, about the audience of each platform. We all have different taste. Every human being is different and we have different taste. Some of us may be able to understand well with YouTube videos. Some of you may be able to understand good with reading a text, a blog, a article online, right? So that is, our prospective customers are as such on all social media platforms. And they may be more on some platforms and less on others. The constraint is budget here. Right? We must know about our audience at first and where they are mostly on social media platforms. If we talk about Facebook, we have a heterogeneous population on Facebook. From the age group of 15 to will find 70. Very less educated to educated. Mostly everyone has a profile on Facebook, and they may be less active, but they have profile. They are there on Facebook. If any such product we are launching, then we must consider promoting on Facebook as well. Right? That is the second point we are discussing. Digital and social media marketing is highly targeted in comparison to traditional or conventional advertising marketing. This is the third difference. The first one we have discussed, instant reach. We can launch any campaign instantly and we will be reaching with our prospective audience, prospective customers instantly within 30 minutes. We will be able to reach. Second thing is, it is highly targeted. The third point, third meaning is, we can start a digital marketing campaign with a very low budget. With a very low budget. On Instagram and Facebook, you can start campaign from 100 rupees per day. But on any newspaper or any television channel, you cannot advertise with 100 rupees per day. You need a good amount of budget to promote on newspaper or on TV, television or on radio. But in case of digital and social media marketing, you can start a campaign with as low as 100 rupees, right? Even less than that if it works, but it is not going to say yes, no to you if you will input the 50 rupees per day. Getting the point? So this is the third point. We can have a campaign with as low as 100 rupees per day. In digital and social media marketing, in budgetary sense, we talk about daily budget. How much you are going to spend on advertising and promotions daily basis. We have to fix a daily budget, right? And even you can fix with the daily budget, you can have the facility to advertise on particular hours. If you think that your customers, your prospective customers will be on these social media platforms only in between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the night because they are free, so you can advertise only for these 2 hours. You can advertise 8 to 10 in the morning and 8 to 10 in the evening. You can advertise 11 to 1 in the morning and afternoon for 2 hours. Any set of selections of timing as well you can. Highly flexible, as I said. Right? That is, you can have a campaign with as low as very low budget. The return on investments are high because we know about our prospective customers. We have feedback about what is exactly going on. The fourth point is two-way communication. It is one of the most important points of digital and social media advertising. Two-way communication, right? In traditional advertising, if we are viewing some advertisements on television or on newspaper, so we cannot comment or we cannot share or we cannot say anything about that. But in online advertising, you can, if you think that it's a good product or a good service, you can share it among your friends and family members. If you have a bad experience with that, you can write a negative review. If you have a good experience, so you can if you have good experience with a similar product or the same product on the advertisement, you can share it, their advertisements, and that we do. You can click it to know more about that and can write your reviews. The two-way communication is one of the important winning over traditional marketing. Right? This is for the day, and we will continue it tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.